Right, so second flight on the MinimumRC Mirage 2000. We're going second flight, so we're going to do a bit more aerobatics and see what the slow speed high alpha characteristics are like. Steve, yeah?
Right, yeah.
Let's do it.
Here we go.
Oh, fell off. Canopy fell off. The little magnet, it should hold it in place. Again, easy hand launch. So I think the wind is from the right, isn't it? So it should slow up a little bit going into...
Pretty stable.
Yeah? So again, is that on the stabilised mode?
Yeah.
You can try the manual mode if you like, if you try it up high to start with.
Oh, that's manual mode.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's livened it up. Oh my god. Turns into a Dremel.
Coming for a landing, the battery's just starting to...
Yeah. Maybe get 3.5 minutes out of it, I reckon. But again, easy landing, just keep the nose up.
Yep.
So there you go, MinimumRC Mirage 2000. Very easy to put together, pretty easy to fly. Well, your thoughts after that one? Did you enjoy the manual mode?
Yeah, I did, yeah. The manual mode is, yeah, that one's for me.
That's the way to go, is it?
Yeah, yeah, still, it's got a bit more movement to it, so it makes it a bit more lively, makes it roll a lot quicker, which is always exciting.
Yeah.
But yeah, really good.
Brilliant. Thanks very much, Steve. Link for this in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye. Again, easy hand launch. But again, easy landing, just keep the nose up.